The path that electricity takes from its source to its destination is called a circuit. A circuit is like a circle. If you run all around a cricket ground, you have completed a circuit. Student, write this question on your book. Define circuit. This is question number 4, and the answer is the path that electricity takes from its source to its destination is called a circuit. An electrical circuit needs 4 things to work. Number 1, a source of electrical energy like a battery. You can see here this is an electrical circuit and we need a source of battery. Number 2, wires for the electricity to travel along. So you can see here the wire. Number 3, something to convert the electricity into heat or light, just like a light bulb. Number 4, a switch to turn the circuit on and off. Now we need a switch to turn the circuit on and off. You can see here the switch is open and here the switch is closed. When the switch is open, the bulb is also switch off, and when the switch is closed, the bulb switch on. In your notebook, answer the questions. What 4 things are needed to complete an electrical circuit? As you can see here, battery, wire, bulb, switch. Battery, wires, bulb, switch. Question number 2. Can you draw a simple circuit? Now student, you can see here a simple circuit. You can draw this on your book as well as in your notebook. What electricity enables us to do? As we know that electricity helps us in many important works, just like that we can read at night, we can play at night, we can do so many activities at night just because of electricity. Electricity provides us with light when there is no sunlight. You can see here there is no sunlight, but electricity is providing light here. Thanks to electricity, people are able to read, work and play at night just as they can during the day. Electricity powers machines that make it easier for humans to do certain jobs. Without electricity, there would be no computer. As we know that computers work on electricity, but if there will be no electricity, then no work is possible on computer. Maybe that machine could help me if only I could get it to work. So you can see here a machine. This is a computer. Electricity powers machines that provide us with entertainment. Maybe that machine could entertain me if only I could get it to work. Student, you can see here this seems to be a television, and as we know that by watching TV programs, we can entertain ourselves. Activity time. Make a list of all the things in your classroom that need electricity to work. Now student, this is your home task. You have to make a list of things that need electricity to work in your classroom and in your home. Learning is. Can you suggest to super scientist how he can make the 2 machines work? Number 2, complete the table by ticking the correct boxes. Here are 3 columns. Machines runs on electricity, doesn't need electricity. Screwdriver. Tick here students. Screwdriver doesn't need electricity. Fridge. Fridge, as you know that fridge runs on electricity. Toaster also runs on electricity. Scissors doesn't need electricity. Fan runs on electricity. Words search. Students, here are some words. We have to search here some words that we can use in these blanks. Number 1 is dash connects the computer to the power supply. Wire connects the computer to the power supply. Some dash run on electricity to make our work easy. some machines. Some machines. Batteries dash a small amount of electricity. Batteries store. We have to be very dash around electricity as it can be dangerous. Careful. The electricity that we get from a power station is called dash electricity. Means electricity. Students, write these words in the blanks and also learn this.